Hey good people of the internet, my name is Jake Sloan and I make videos here on YouTube all about how you can take your mobile device and create great, amazing cinematic videos. I also do a lot with drones and I review the gear that helps make that possible. So if that's something that you want to learn more about and you want to grow in your cinematography skills using your phone or your drone, then subscribe to this channel and stay tuned because there's a lot more content coming. They say the best camera is the one that you have with you, and the one that most all of us always have with us is this, our phones. And so why not learn to use our phones to their maximum potential to create great, amazing cinematic footage. Today, right now, I'm filming on the Sony A7III. I almost said A7R3, but that's not what I'm filming on. I'm filming on the A7 III with the Tamron 28-75. Fantastic camera, fantastic lens. I love it, and I use it all the time in my professional work when I'm creating content for businesses or people that are asking me to create content for them. That's my go-to camera and my go-to lens now. But most often, and almost all of the videos that you see on this channel were filmed using my iPhone X. And so today I want to use my iPhone X and pit it against my Sony A7 III. And there you have it. The footage I thought was really fantastic. I mean, from both. Obviously, they're really great. Now, there are some shortcomings to phones as compared to a full-frame camera like this is low light, which we'll get into how you can shoot decent low light video with your phone in another video. And obviously, being able to change your focal lengths pretty dramatically and change your lenses is a big plus for the phone. But this, paired with some other lenses, actually does a really fantastic job. And if you want to see some of my other videos, then I'll link them in the description below, and there'll be a card that'll pop up here that pretty much just film with my phone and a drone. Really great stuff. I would like to know what you think in the comments below. Let me know which footage you liked best, which footage you didn't like, and also if there's something specific you want to know about ways to create great content using just your phone. Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment. I try and respond to every comment, and I would love to hear your thoughts. So for now, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you again soon in the next video.